What's up guys, John B here. Hopefully you can hear me. Meredith and I decided to come out for one of our photo adventures. We came to Butler, Georgia to the Fickling mill. It's an old mill. I'll take a picture later, find out when it was made, what it was for, and stuff like that. But it's a pretty interesting place. It's a little mill right beside the highway. And actually it'd be a great place to do prom pictures, wedding photos, modeling shots, all kinds of stuff. But very interesting place. It's got an old mill, well, old building here. Not sure if it was a grocery store or a part of the mill. Like I said, I got to read up more on it. We just came out here to take some pictures because I was told it's a great place to come to. So yeah, I'll throw some pictures up throughout the video and let you know more about the place, all right? And I'll talk to you in a bit. See ya. Alright guys, I just went and read the history of this place, and the Fickling mill was made over 100 years ago, and it was basically for the community. They had it for the flour, the grits, and some for cornmeal, and basically it was sold around here in the community and sold elsewhere, but that's what this little mill was made for. So it's a pretty neat place, and I don't know how long ago it was shut down because they said something about the late 1800s, so they didn't have an exact date on the paperwork I was reading. So yeah, it's a nice place, and if you're ever in the area, come on out and check it out. Alright, I'll see y'all next video. Hope you enjoyed, and keep on watching. I got some more pictures that'll be popping up, and maybe a few bloopers. Later. What's it called? Fickling mill? Fickling mill. Fickling mill. Oh, that's the
Fickling. Fickling.
Ah, it's F-I-C. Fickling. Fickling.
Fickling.
Alright guys, I just went and read the history of this place, and Fickling mill was built over 100 years ago for the families in this area. They were doing cornmeal, grits, and
Flour.
Alright, what's up guys? John. That's just the beginning. Alright, I just went out. Yep. Alright, what's up?
What's happening now? Okay, stop.